तो टेल मी ऑनेस्टली, ऐसा मक्खनबाजी, इतना बटरिंग, इतना एफर्ट आपने अपनी लाइफ में किसी लड़की के लिए डाला है या नहीं?
Never ever. The point is I can't do it. See, buttering is something which is not in me. As you might have seen the reality show. There's nothing in me where I can butter people.
You don't need to name that person, obviously.
I can't name that person.
Yeah, you.
A lot
Yeah.
of people like this.
मैं yeah.
Yes.
I think
Always starts like this. We just need small gestures. We just need this much, and then slowly it keeps on increasing. And day by day it will rise. And one day you will be told कि पहले तो इतना कर देते थे.
you need to feel
हाँ,
loved. Consistency is very
I'm
important.
Not saying don't give love or don't be love that kind of person जो थोड़ा भी appreciate नहीं कर रहा, but still
People you grew up listening to, you're going to perform on their songs. I think it's a very win-win situation because don't talk about relationships to me. I will get into
Yeah.
sorry, no situationships. I don't promote. I don't like. I'm not one of them. Anyway.
आओ ना, आओ ना। नहीं, एक सेकंड, ये मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? ये मुझे नहीं करना है, और आप जाओ नहीं, आपको यहीं पे रहना है। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दिस इज द सनी जी शो एंड आई एम प्रियेश पालकर, योर होस्ट फॉर द डे। और ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, ये कोई और कह रहे हैं। एंड दीज आर द वंस हु गो विद द हैशटैग अविशा। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज वेलकम Avinash and Isha.
thank
How
you so
sweet.
much.
Welcome to the Sunny G show, and I'm pretty sure you might be a little frazzled out because you'll be expecting Shubhojit to be here. Shubhojit is not
We
here.
miss him.
And
You're
he's
great
अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है, इतना भी ज्यादा सच नहीं बोलना। नहीं, मैंने पैसे नहीं दिए कोई भी, ऑब्वियसली वो बहुत ज्यादा चार्ज करते हैं अगर बोलने के लिए। बोलता तो, बट इवेंचुअली ही सेंड इन अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीटिंग्स टू यू एंड ही
He's a
मिसेस यू, ही
sweetheart.
मिस डूइंग दिस। एंड सो या Shubhojit, we miss you. All right, so coming back here, Avisha has given a lot of love. Just 3 दिन हुए लॉन्च को and we are close to 5 million views. Magnanimous that is. और बेहतरीन शुरुआत। बट शुरू करने से पहले, even before we talk about this song, Avinash, I would want to check with you. क्या गजब का आपने एफर्ट डाला है। All 4 minutes, 80% you are manifying, you are buttering all the way. Now honestly, ये है पहला सवाल आज के शो का। तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको सच्चाई के साथ इसका सामना करना है।
Oh, please tell.
So tell me honestly, ऐसा मक्खनबाजी, इतना बटरिंग, इतना एफर्ट आपने अपनी लाइफ में किसी लड़की के लिए डाला है या नहीं?
Never ever. The point is I can't do it. See, buttering is something which is not in me. As you might have seen the reality show. There's nothing in me where I can butter people. That's something which I always try to ignore because that's not my personality. So I can't do that.
Whoever is listening, if you know this is not the truth, you know it better. And I don't know that तो ये सारा choreograph था. That is what is I'm taking from what you just said.
Yeah, definitely. I see. I'm an actor. I'm an artist. Whatever is required for the screen, whatever is required for the character and for the concept, I'll do it. And it came out really nice. I was buttering a lot.
It certainly came out very, very nice, and unfortunate listening to this answer, but very fortunate for the guys, to the lover boys, to the Romeos going around. I think this is the man you need to be taking the leaps out of his book, from the song, not from his life. Definitely. Isha, coming to you with the same question. I'm going to tweak it a little. Obviously, not you. You deserve the princess treatment. Being the lady.
Definitely.
So, आप एटलीस्ट सच बताइए कि किसी ने इतना ज्यादा एफर्ट जितना हमने देखा इस सॉन्ग में, उतना आपके लिए रियल लाइफ में? You don't need to name that person, obviously.
I can't name that person.
Yeah, you.
A lot of people like this.
मैं yeah.
Yes.
I think
Yeah.
not I am not somebody, again I'll repeat, I'm not somebody who's after grand gestures and gift me this. You will get me one thing, a small toffee with love, and you will remember that, oh, she likes sunflowers, oh, she likes this, and you will get me that. I will be, oh man, oh man, I'll be the happiest. And I am a sucker for small little things and people who know that she likes this, and it will make her happy when she is low. I think those efforts are they're just so beautiful, they're so underrated. But छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो सिर्फ मैं relationship की बात नहीं कर रही, people who are close to you, they do it for you, that oh मैंने ये देखा, मुझे तेरी याद है, and I got it for you. It's just so nice, when they take care of you when you are not feeling right, when they are there for you, irrespective आप कितना annoy कर रहे हो, they are there for you. I think these things matter to me, and I've been lucky with my family, with my friends, and with people who are close to me. They love me for who I am, and they know how to take care of me.
Amazing. So all you mean, if you want to put this in a nutshell, it's like finding solace in simplicity.
Yeah,
That
absolutely.
is what you're
absolutely.
all about. Amazing. All the boys out there, ना जितना आपने सोचा था उतना एफर्ट नहीं डालना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, अरे यार मैं बताती हूँ, एक क्रैक करती हूँ, एक कोड देती हूँ.
Yes.
किसी भी लड़की को नहीं चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट मैं जितनों को जानती हूँ कि तुम उनको लाविश गाड़ियाँ दो और वो 80,000 बुकेज ना. Just show up. Just be there for your person. One random text that, oh, I'm thinking about you, will make that person happy, and that person's gonna read that text a zillion times. I'm telling you, मैं हर लड़की को जानती हूँ, ये basic चीज़ें हैं. Bare minimum हम बहुत appreciate करते हैं. करो वो चीज़ें.
Let me also give you a tip, guys.
That also gives
It always starts like this. We just need small gestures. We just need this much, and then slowly it keeps on increasing. And day by day it will rise. And one day you will be told कि पहले तो इतना कर देते थे, अब तो वो भी नहीं हो रहा है.
See,
I have actually gone through these things. मतलब मेरा experience रहा है. That's why just be yourself, and if that person is accepting you the way you are, it's fine.
no, you need to feel loved. Consistency is very
I'm
important.
Not saying don't give love or don't be that kind of person जो थोड़ा भी appreciate नहीं कर रहा, but still these things are gonna rise and these things will increase.
लड़के क्या कहते हैं, रिलेशनशिप के स्टार्ट में बहुत पैम्पर करेंगे, बहुत केयर करेंगे, फिर 3 महीने बाद MI. अरे ब्रो, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, जस्ट एज स्मॉल एज जस्ट अपडेट योर पर्सन, डू दैट. इतना छोटा चीज़ है, वो कभी इंक्रीज नहीं होता है. व्हेन आई विल टेल यू समथिंग, व्हेन अ गर्ल फील्स वेरी wanted and comfortable, she will give you more love. The moment she feels कि नहीं, that the person is taking you for granted, and men tend to do that. कि I'm not saying anything, not anything against, but men tend to do
lot
it.
of eyebrows raised there.
When they know कि लड़की यहीं पे रहेगी and she will not gonna leave, they start taking the girl for granted.
True.
I think just it's a lot. Relationships take a lot of efforts, but then it's a
It
beautiful
does.
thing.
But I could relate with you, whatever you said. I think coming from you as well, right on the camera, I feel I'm doing the right things wherever I am right now. And I also tend to agree with you that the benchmark always keeps getting higher. It's never that constant. So that tussle is always going to be on. It is a very debatable topic.
See, that's
So
the beauty of a relationship. That
Yeah.
happens. That
absolutely.
And men and women are very different. ठीक है, my love language and my person's love
Yeah.
language is different. So you,
True.
even for girls, मैं बोल रही हूँ, you
Yeah.
need to find that midway कि ठीक है यार, उसका ये है, and he's doing that. You need to appreciate it कि ठीक है, he's trying.
Yeah.
अब तुम एकदम से बोलोगे ये नहीं, क्या ऐसा नहीं होता. That person is trying. You need to appreciate it.
Problems नहीं हो तो फिर बच्चों को क्या सुनाओ?
बिल्कुल बात तो सही है.
माँ बाप ने कितना तंग
There
किया.
has to be something.
Has to be.
So
माँ
that
बाप
you
तो
can
नहीं,
tell you-
grandson, grandchildren.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
है ना? उनके लिए
Story
कहानियां
होनी
बन रही
चाहिए
है.
ना, क्योंकि this was a tough part, this was a easy part. So that has to be there.
Yeah, everything ऐसे केक वॉक नहीं होना चाहिए.
Absolutely, and I think मुझे लगता है कि मैंने सही वाली तार छेड़ दी शुरू करते ही. The way you got ignited, I loved it. Absolutely. But even before we digress the song down, I think you guys are phenomenal. We've seen your act even in the Big Boss. जो morning song बजता था, the way you used to go about dancing and showing off your skills. I know she was a little work in progress, but I'm but eventually what you've done in the song is phenomenal.
Thank you.
But it's just not you. There were a couple of maestros from the music industry. Adnan Sami himself, the legend, and Asha Bhosle ji, they've given the voice. So ये जानने के बाद, of course, you trust your craft and you are very well versed with it. But when you got to know they are also on the project, did it add a little bit of pressure in terms of executing your craft to its optimum best, maybe pulling up the benchmark a little more?
We actually released our pressure.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because we
wow.
knew, okay, the singers are there. they're the legendary singers,
Yeah.
right? So हमारा आधा जो pressure था वो और ease पे चला कि okay,
Okay.
the melody is gonna be super.
Okay.
And the moment we heard the song, we were like, "Chal, this is fine. This is very easy for us. We have to just be there and act, and बाकी melody अपना काम कर देगी because we have got legendary singers. People are gonna love this song."
That's a nice way to look at things, being optimistic maybe. That's how you chose to look at it. And Isha, if I ask you the same?
I think, yeah, when you know that people you grew up listening to, you're going to perform on their songs, I think it's a very win-win situation because don't talk about relationships to me. I will get into
Yeah.
sorry, no situationships. I don't promote. I don't like. I'm not one of them. Anyway, when I got to know that Adnan Sami sir and Asha Bhosle ma'am का गाना है, T series label है, and then Avinash है, तो I was, I think, very happy. सब कुछ बहुत was working in my favor, तो उसमें कुछ ना बोलने की चीज़ नहीं थी. I think I just said yes, that I really want to do it. That is why this song is very special.
Indeed. And as a viewer, if I want to add my pointers there, you've done justice to the song, undoubtedly. I
Thank
watched
you.
it on loop
That's
before
sweet.
coming here. Just amazing. And thinking of which, जो पहली चीज़ आप पे फेंकी गई थी, वो दिखाया तो फूल था, पर क्या वो यूज टिश्यू भी था?
No, it was a flower
it was a
only.
flower.
Was a flower, right? Because संगति का असर होता है and it gets she's not
Oh God! I am out of that show, guys. खत्म हो गया है, आसमान में उड़ो, खत्म हो गया वो show.
बट चलो फूल तो कोरियोग्राफी के लिए फेंका गया था, पर उसके अलावा कितनी सारी चीजें पड़ी आप पे that your big mighty chest or maybe your face
Just
was
love.
taken. Honestly.
नहीं, it was just flower और कुछ नहीं फेंका गया.
नहीं मतलब शूट के अलावा आगे पीछे रिहर्सल्स भी है लाइक
ऐसा कुछ नहीं आया है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं आया.
मैं क्या मारधाड़ वाली दिखती हूँ क्या?
Very supportive and अभी हो भी जाता है कि we have that bond, तो we're actually supporting each other कि चलो यार इसको इतना अच्छा कर लेते हैं, इस शॉट को ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. We were trying to create a great chemistry on screen कि यार लोगों को देखने में मजा आए, तो वो चीज़ पे हम ज़्यादा वर्क कर रहे थे rather than throwing.
बट इवेंचुअली जो आपने वर्क करा है लाइक टेकिंग वन फ्रॉम यू कि 80% ऑफ द टाइम्स वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, मुझे ऐसे पर्सनली नहीं लग रहा था कि आपको इसकी रिहर्सल्स की ज़रूरत होगी. ऑब्वियसली कोरियोग्राफी वॉज रिक्वायर्ड टू यू नो टू प्ले विद द कैमरा एंड ऑल, बट वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग 80% ऑफ द टाइम द वे यू आर गोइंग बिहाइंड हर ट्राइंग टू मनाफाई यू नो ऑल द टैंट्रम शी वॉज थ्रोइंग, तो ये तो रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल था. ये तो ऑर्गेनिकली नहीं आया आपसे, वैसे ही आया होगा. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड. प्लीज शेड सम लाइट देयर.
See, ईशा is a person जो बहुत pampered रही है घर में, तो इसका एक वो मतलब एक नेचर है. ओके, एंड बिग बॉस में भी था, तो हम इसको कभी मनाते थे, इसको चीज़ों के लिए बोलते थे, तो वो एक
कभी मनाते थे?
हाँ, मतलब ऑब्वियसली हम कई बार मनाए. मतलब मैं
काफी.
एलिस कई बार हम लोग को मनाना पड़ता था,
Yeah.
एंड कई बार इसने भी चीज़ें की. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो इसने नहीं की, इसने भी की. तो वो चीज़ें हम लोग को एक दूसरे के नेचर के बारे में पता है. तो अब सिचुएशन भी सॉन्ग में कई बार वैसे क्रिएट हुई कि ओके अभी रूठी हुई है, उसको मनाना है. तो कई बार वो सिचुएशन हो जाता है कि ओके दिस इज ईशा, तो इसको ऐसे मनाते हैं. तो कई बार ऐसा ऑर्गेनिकली भी आ जाता है कि ओके लेट्स डू दिस. तो हम लोग कई बार ऐसा क्रिएट भी कर लेते थे सीन में कि ओके ये करता हूँ तो अभी ऐसा रिएक्शन आ जाएगा, अभी ऐसा आ जाएगा. तो यस वी यूज्ड इट. हाँ, यूज्ड इट अ लॉट. मतलब पूरे सॉन्ग के क्रिएशन में आपको कई जगह वो दिखेगा.
कुछ एलिमेंट्स हमारे खुद के ही है, काफी सारे एक्चुअली.
काफ़ी सारे. एंड स्पीकिंग ऑफ विच, जो लिफ्ट करा दे एंड में आपने करा, डिड इट कम लाइक वाज इट अ पार्ट ऑफ द कोरियोग्राफी और आपका इम्प्रॉम्प्टू टेक था?
It was director's call. It was his imagination. It was his idea कि यार let's do this. डांसर को ऐसे करने के लिए बोलेंगे because that's a very famous
Iconic.
It's
song
iconic.
and iconic
Yeah,
step also
true.
ये lift करा दे. तो अदनान सर मतलब हो जाता है यार, वो भी he must be also fed up कि यार जहाँ जाओ यही करा है. तो we added that flavor कि सर थोड़ा ये वाला lift करा दे वाला step करते हैं. मतलब अच्छा.
And it hit it absolutely on point because when you guys approached him, मुझे वही लगा कि you know you're about to embark on that and you actually did it and I was like very happy soul right there when you did that. So you moved from one project to another. Like I'm sure there are so many things that you know add newly to your sleeves and जो एक दूसरे के बारे में आपने समझी होगी. तो ऐसी कोई चीज़ें हैं that you think कि Isha has gotten better with one project to another and likewise for him Isha. Maybe you want to start first this one?
Project wise or personally you're asking?
Personally, be personal life में या professional life में,
I think
any
we
new
always
things that
evolve, right? हम
Yeah.
हर टाइम हर उसमें evolve करते हैं. I think मैं अविनाश को पिछले अक्टूबर से जानती हूँ. It's been
Okay.
good 6-7 months now.
More than
Oh,
that,
damn.
yeah, roughly,
Oh, shit. So I have seen this person growing professionally, of course. अब हम बाहर आए हैं तो what kind of work he is doing and his projects मैं थोड़ा बहुत तो जानती हूँ कुछ. He also knows a lot about my projects and everything, which I cannot name, of course. उसके बारे में I have seen कि अच्छा ठीक है how he is working on it, and personally also मुझे लगता है कि things have changed so much, but everything for good. So I am seeing this person growing into somebody, and it's beautiful to witness that.
amazing. And if you want to say on similar lines for her?
See, definitely, as an artist, we need to grow every day.
Yeah.
And वो मैं देखता हूँ ईशा, like she also works really hard. And अभी मैं इसकी just पहले वाले interview में बोला था, like she started working a lot on fitness. So you know these things add to your skills. And as an artist, जब आपके अंदर ये खुद feeling आ जाए ना कि that yes I have to develop my skill, I have to make sure कि मैं अपने आप को हमेशा एक level up करता जाऊँ every day, then that seriousness is seen inside the artist. So I could see that inside her कि yes वो हमेशा से रहा है, but क्योंकि मैं अभी से देख रहा हूँ, so अभी जो मैं देख रहा हूँ definitely बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे she is working on, and I'm glad कि as an artist वो चीज़ों को adapt करी, and this will benefit her in future for sure.
Absolutely. It is guys gonna go a long way individually as well, and if this duo continues, I mean Avisha is already there. Very quickly मैं एक चाबी देना चाहूँगा क्योंकि ये जो सिनेरियो हमने देखा है सॉन्ग में शायद वो वापस रेप्लिकेट हो, गिवन कि आप जवाब क्या देते हो. तो मुझे बताइए, Pooh and Piglet, did you figure out?
Pooh and Piglet.
So last time when you met Shubhojit, she did mention कि इसको Tom and Jerry नहीं Pooh and Piglet कहेंगे.
Yeah.
So
Pooh and तुमने Pooh नहीं था, Pooh नहीं देखा?
नहीं.
They're always there for each other. It's Tom and Jerry थोड़ी खिंचाई
अच्छा,
वाला है.
all right, so boys, I think yeah, you need to be doing not this what he just done. You need to be just going
But you
back and
know,
revising.
Avinash and I watched similar kind of cartoons. मतलब मैं और अविनाश हम बात कर रहे थे, हमने shit हमें एक दिन कार्टून देखना चाहिए बैठ के. हमने सेम शोज देखे हुए हैं. We grew up watching similar cartoons. हम उसके बारे में काफी बात करते
यार
हैं.
कितने choices थे वैसे back in the time.
Yeah, नहीं
but still,
थे.
you landed
Yeah.
up on the same ones.
Yeah, same.
Name your favorite cartoon. Come on, both of you together.
Noddy, Bob the Builder,
अच्छा
Oswald.
ये वाला बता रहे क्या?
हाँ.
Oh, हाँ ये भी थे, but मेरा favorite उसमें Pokemon और Beyblade.
अरे lovely यार, belong to the same clan. मजा आ गया जब आप सुन के.
ये दोनों मेरे फेवरेट थे. वो आता था यार वो चिप्स के पैकेट्स में ऐसा.
हाँ वो आता
Dazzle,
था.
Dazzle.
yes.
I used to collect all those.
Correct. All right. So a couple of more things before we wrap today. Karo dil ki marzi moment in life. If both of you can just give me in one line, karo dil ki marzi moment, whatever you've lived to the fullest best.
You know, follow your passion. I feel that is really important. So, because somewhere in your life you need to be really happy with. So whatever you are doing, you need to be very passionate about it. And if you're not feeling very passionate about your work, stop doing it and follow your passion. You'll start loving your life.
True. I mean, you need to get a good night's sleep after what you've done.
Absolutely.
You know, without
क्या
having
है
any
करो
regrets.
दिल की बात.
मतलब
Karo dil ki marzi moment in your life. So it's like
in-
following passion. Maybe one last thing from you.
I think when I'm close to nature, when I'm working, I love being in
Wow.
front of the camera. It drives me, it makes me, and I think whenever I'm doing some work, मैं अच्छी नींद सोती हूँ. I think
Amazing.
I'm happy, very happy.
Fantastic. What great thoughts to sum this up with. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.
Wishing you all the luck and all the love.
Thank
From
you.
Avisha is already there. We all are watching and may this be a huge success. Congratulations. And ladies and gentlemen, this is where we put the curtains down. My name is Priyesh Palkar signing off from the Sunny G Show. Until next time, it's a goodbye.